Welcome, today in front of me OUKITEL OKT1, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So let's just first launch the Google application, and after that tap on the right upper corner, then scroll down, click to the settings, and after that tap to the voice section. Then you'll see the voice match. Go here and okay, now just to turn on Hey Google feature, you should click here only once on the switcher, and after that we should add here the voice model. So click to retain voice model, and now just say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And after that click here to finish. And now when we'll say okay Google or Hey Google, we can see that this feature is turned on successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.